Hello, welcome everyone to the Talk Elizabeth channel. Remember to like and share.
We believe you can change, but trust will not return in one day. I understand, Mom. I will prove it with my actions, not just words.
Tom, you are finally home, and that means everything to us.
I know, Dad. I made a terrible mistake, and I want to change. You said many things before, Tom. This time must be different.
It will be different, Emma. I am not that same angry boy anymore.
And are you going to run away again when things get hard? No, Jack. This time, I will stay and face my problems.
Real courage is not running away. Real courage is coming back.
I think I finally understand that now, Dad. Tomorrow, you go back to school. Are you ready? I am nervous, but I have to go. People will talk about you. I know. Some people may laugh. I know that too. Then why are you still going? Because I cannot hide forever. Look, he came back. That is the boy who ran away from home.
I heard he slept under a bridge. Maybe he thinks he is a movie star now.
No, you really do not. Keep telling yourself that.
I made a mistake. That does not mean you know my whole life.
How?
Everyone knows enough.
No, you really do not. Keep telling yourself that.
Tom, welcome back to class.
Thank you, sir. I am ready to work hard.
I hope so. Your grades need serious improvement.
I know. I will catch up.
Promises are easy, Tom. Consistency is difficult.
Then I will be consistent.
Good. Start by finishing today's assignment before lunch.
I will finish it, sir.
Tom, you are not starting in today's match.
Coach, I have trained every afternoon since I came back.
Training is good, but the team needs trust.
I will not let the team down again.
You already did when you disappeared.
I know. But I came back.
Coming back is the first step. Earning your place is the next.
Then I will earn it. School feels bigger than the city. Bigger? In the city, people ignored me. Here, everyone watches me. I know how that feels. They whisper when I walk past. They whisper about me too. At least you have a family waiting at home. And now you have people who care too. I am not sure everyone wants me here. I want you here. That helps more than you think. Good, because I mean it.
Hey! Bridge boy.
Do not call me that. Why? Did I hurt your feelings? I said, stop. Did you bring your cardboard bed to school? Walk away, Ryan.
Or what? Or I will forget that I promised to stay calm.
Ben, do not answer him. I'm trying not to. Look, the runaway boy is protecting the homeless boy. Leave him alone.
Why? Is your new best friend embarrassed?
Stop acting like this.
Why? Just tell them.
Just leave me alone.
Ben is a better person than most of you.
Then why was he living on the streets?
I am not a project. Then what are you?
Someone who survived more than you ever called.
Ah,
Big words from a boy with no home.
say that again. Ben, please. He wants you to react. No home, no family, no future. Enough. Nobody wants you here, homeless boy. One more word, Ryan, and you're gonna regret it. Watch it. Just try me.
Come on, then.
Leave me alone.
What are you gonna do?
Just go away.
Scared, little loser?
I'm not scared.
Come on, hit me then.
No. I told you to stop. Go back!
Ben, do not hit him.
You started this. No, you did.
Ben, my office. Right now.
Yes, Principal.
Fighting is a serious offense.
I know, sir.
Ryan says you attacked him.
He bullied me every day.
Did you hit him?
Yes.
Then I cannot ignore this.
So he can say anything, and I must stay silent?
You must ask for help.
I did ask.
Nobody listened. There will be a hearing on Friday.
What kind of hearing?
A disciplinary hearing. Expulsion is possible.
Expulsion? What happened? The principal is considering expelling me.
Expelling you? That's crazy. Maybe this school never wanted me here.
Congratulations! You're selected for the regional championship.
Really? That's amazing!
Scouts from professional academies will be there.
This could change my life.
That's incredible news. It is, but your hearing is on the same day. I'll be fine. You don't sound very confident.
Because I'm not. Ben, because I'm not. Ben,
Seriously, Tom. Choose your dream.
I don't know if I can. Don't throw away your future because of me. You once saved my life. Friends do that.
Not everyone would.
I would.
You would?
Yeah, friends stick together.
Thanks, Ben. You're a true friend.
Dad, what would you do?
That's a decision only you can make.
I don't want to lose my chance.
Then ask yourself what matters most.
Sometimes life tests who we are. I feel like I'm being pulled in two directions. Listen to your heart, but do not ignore your values. My values?
Loyalty, honesty, courage, and kindness. Those sound harder than soccer.
If you only think about yourself, you'll regret it later.
That's exactly what I'm afraid of.
I remember being hungry every night. Tom, stop thinking about that. I remember the cold, the fear, and the loneliness. I remember it too. And I remember who stayed beside me. You don't owe me anything.
Maybe I do.
No, you don't.
The team bus leaves in 10 minutes.
Coach, I need to tell you something. What's wrong?
I'm going to channel.
I'm not going to the championship. Are you serious?
Yes,
My friend needs me today. But the finals.
this is more important.
All right then. This could have been your biggest opportunity.
I know. Oh,
Then why are you doing this?
because someone once chose me when I had nothing.
You may regret this.
Maybe. But I would regret leaving Ben more.
Tom, why are you here? I came to speak for Ben. This is Ben's hearing, not yours.
I know, sir, but I know who he really is. Then speak clearly. Ben is not a violent person. He hit me. And you bullied him until he broke. You called him homeless. You laughed at his life. That is not true.
It was just a joke. No.
It was never a joke to him.
Continue, Tom. When I ran away, I lost everything. I had no food, no money, and no place to sleep. Go on. Ben shared his food with me, even though he was hungry too. Tom. He stayed beside me when I collapsed. You don't have to do this. Yes, I do.
Why?
Why?
Because everyone sees your mistake.
And? But they do not see your courage. Tom. They do not see how kind you are. Thank you. They do not see how hard you are trying to belong. That's all I ever wanted. Ben, is this true? Every word. Ryan, did you bully him? Yes, sir. Then my decision is clear. Am I expelled? No, you will remain at this school. Thank you, sir. We did it. No, you did it. The championship is over by now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. I made my choice. Was it worth it? Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Tom. I'd do it again.
Are you Tom?
Yes, sir.
I heard your speech today.
You don't run down.
You did? I wasn't looking for the best player.
Then what were you looking for?
I was looking for someone with character, courage, and heart.
You really think I have those qualities?
More than anyone I've met.
Talent can be trained. Character cannot.
I've never heard that before. We'd like to invite you to our youth academy. Are you serious? Completely serious.
Thank you. I won't waste this chance.
I heard the news. Do you finally trust me? I'm starting to. That's enough for me.
My brother is a hero! Hero might be a little much.
Not to me! Thanks, Jack. I got accepted into the support program. That's amazing. My life is finally changing.
You deserve it.
Tom, today you proved that character is more important than success.
I finally understand what you were trying to teach me, Dad. This feels different, doesn't it? It feels like home.
Success means nothing if you lose the people who matter.
I understand that now. Welcome home, Ben. Thank you, Tom.